Hey you guys, what's up? So I just received the Boxycharm premium box and I wanted us to unbox it together. So let's see what's in this box for this month. So once you open the box, you have this card that normally comes with all of the boxes, and this is definitely the fall season, so that's why you have a fall card. And then you have all the items and the prices that are in this box. So let's see what we have in this box. So the first palette, this is a contour palette from Cosmetics, and this is how it looks. I love these shades right here. These other ones, I don't even know what to do with them, but this is the first palette, and this palette actually retails for $60. The next item is a flat iron, and this is from Adagio, not so mini ceramic flat iron. This actually retails for $99, guys. Flat iron, $99. The next item is a lip scrub, and this is from the company Flows, and this actually retails for $16. The next item is a bamboo body polish, and this actually retails for $49. And the other item is a Saturday Skin, and this is a body cream, and this actually retails for $57. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited to try this one in particular. The next item is something that is very confusing to me. I don't even know why it's in this box, and this is something medicinal. So this is some defense drop, and it's supposed to help you, like say when you have like itchy throat, or when you sneeze, you can use this. So it's something that's supposed to help boost your immune system. I am not sure why we're having it in this box, but I'm definitely excited to try this particular product. So you guys hold on for this one. The next item is a MAC Cosmetics Eyelash, and this actually retails for $18. I'm excited to try this one, definitely. The last item is from Rare Beauty, and this is a brow pencil, and this actually retails for $22. So this is the final thing in the box. I'm going to tell you guys what I have. So that was everything I got in my Boxycharm premium box for this month. I got about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 items just for less than how much, I don't even know. I'm going to do a calculation and let you guys know. But if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription box that you can become part of to get beauty products, and it's very good for those of us who love makeup or who love anything beauty. So if you want to try it, I'll definitely leave a link so that you guys can click and subscribe to get beauty products. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video.